Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python in Windows 10. Um, Here is our agenda. The first thing is to learn how to install the latest version of Python. And second, verify the installation and version. Third, the set the variable paths. Fourth, write your first program. Then we'll learn how to download and install Visual Studio Code and set up Python with it in it. Then start enjoying your programs. Thank you. So first of all, to install Python, you head to your browser. Here I will be using the Chrome browser. In the browser, you can search for Python. Okay, the web or type in the web address python.org. Make sure you have your internet running. Then click on download. Then the latest version. Currently we have the 3.9.0 version. Go ahead and click download. While the download is going on, you can take your time to look at the community. The community is where you can, you have a forum where Python codes and all those have been discussed. If you have issue, you can throw up there. And you have the documentation as well, where you can start off from with the code snippets you can get from there, examples and all those. You can always get from there. Okay. All right. So first question there: what is new in Python? Okay. Python 3.9. Can go ahead and take a look and all those. All right, my download is complete, so we'll go ahead and run the installation. Click on the source, the executable code you just downloaded, and follow up the prompt. So easy to install. Okay, so go ahead and click on install now. Yes, allow installation. And watch the setup do the magic. Sorry, the installation is kind of taking time and it's kind of heavy. Just bear with me while we are on it. I will appreciate if you can subscribe and also click the bell notification button so that anytime we do new videos and upload, you will get notification and you can watch. This is going to be one of the different videos that will be coming up on Python tutorial. So if you actually want to be good in Python, please ensure you subscribe and click on the bell notification button so that you can follow up with the subsequent videos. All right, our installation is almost done. Okay, setup was successful. All right, that is great. So to confirm this, let's quickly head to our command line. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can always receive subsequent videos. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Just click the subscribe button now and the bell notification button. This will allow you to receive notifications each time we upload new videos. Thank you. Let's head to our command line, type cmd, and you pop up your command line. When it comes up, okay, our installation was on C drive, so let's quickly clear up the cd dot dot. So to verify the version of your Python, go ahead and type Python hyphen version. That will show you the version. The version I have here is 3.8.5, and the version I just installed is 3.9.0, if you remember. So let's head up to the next. The number 3 on our agenda is set the variable. Okay, let's talk about setting the variables in the next part. Thank you.